Yellowstone Geyser Eruption. Spectacular hot water shoots into space. Kīlauea rages in Hawaii. Mount Fuego erupts powerfully, threatening Guatemala. The Earth is alive, and its power is never silent for long. In just a short span of time, 3 very different volcanic systems have reminded humanity of their immense force. A geyser at Yellowstone National Park exploded with a dazzling fountain of steam and water. Hawaii's Kīlauea Volcano once again poured rivers of lava across its blackened slopes. And in Guatemala, Mount Fuego released a terrifying eruption that threatened entire communities. Together, these events reveal how dynamic, unpredictable, and interconnected our planet's geological heartbeat truly is. Yellowstone, a supervolcano's restless breath. At Yellowstone, one of the world's most famous geysers suddenly roared to life. Spectators stood in awe as scalding columns of hot water rocketed high into the air, glittering against the sky like liquid fire. Beneath the spectacle lies an intricate hydrothermal system connected to one of the most dangerous supervolcanoes on Earth. Scientists monitoring the park reported a cluster of small earthquakes just hours before the geyser erupted. While geyser activity itself is not uncommon, these seismic tremors hint at subtle shifts in Yellowstone's underground plumbing, hot water reservoirs, fractured rock, and the immense magma body deep below. The untrained eye, the eruption was simply beautiful. To volcanologists, it was another reminder that Yellowstone is not dormant, but breathing, each geyser eruption a tiny exhale of a massive volcanic system that has the potential to change the world. Hawaii's Kīlauea, fire from the Pacific. While Yellowstone sprays water and steam, Kīlauea releases molten fire. On Hawaii's Big Island, glowing rivers of lava once again streamed down the volcano's flanks, carving new paths through ancient landscapes. The fiery flow devoured vegetation, hissed as it reached the sea, and lit up the night sky with an eerie red glow. Unlike Yellowstone's episodic geysers, Kīlauea is one of Earth's most persistently active volcanoes. Its eruptions are driven by the Hawaiian hotspot, an upwelling of molten rock from deep within the mantle that has created the entire island chain over millions of years. For residents, Kīlauea's activity is both a curse and a blessing. Lava can destroy homes and infrastructure in an instant, but it also creates new land, expanding the edges of Hawaii itself. Scientists at the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory track the eruption carefully, noting the opening of new fissures and the release of volcanic gases that can spread far beyond the island. Each eruption is part of a cycle of destruction and renewal, a living example of Earth's constant transformation. Guatemala's Fuego, a stratovolcano's fury. Far from the Pacific Islands, Central America witnessed a far deadlier event. Mount Fuego, the volcano of fire, erupted violently, sending massive plumes of ash high into the atmosphere. But the most terrifying danger came not from the sky, but from the ground. Pyroclastic flows, fast-moving torrents of superheated gas, ash, and volcanic rock that surged down the mountain at deadly speeds. For villages in Fuego's shadow, this was a nightmare scenario. Entire communities were forced to evacuate as walls of ash, and fire consumed everything in their path. The eruption darkened skies, disrupted air traffic, and left scientists urgently assessing the risk of further explosions. Unlike Yellowstone's hot water bursts or Kīlauea's steady lava flows, Fuego's eruptions are sudden, explosive, and devastating. They represent the classic danger of stratovolcanoes, mountains capable of destroying lives in moments. A planet in motion. Though separated by thousands of miles, these three eruptions are part of the same global story: the restless movement of Earth's crust and mantle. Yellowstone's geysers reveal the superheated water systems of a continental hotspot. Kīlauea demonstrates the ceaseless rise of magma from the oceanic mantle, and Fuego shows the destructive collision of tectonic plates along the Pacific Ring of Fire. For scientists, each eruption provides vital data. By monitoring seismic waves, volcanic gas emissions, ground deformation, and eruption patterns, researchers can better understand not just local dangers, but the broader rhythms of Earth's geology. For humanity, they are both warnings and lessons, reminders that we live on a planet in constant flux. Conclusion: living with Earth's fire. From Yellowstone's steaming geysers to Kīlauea's rivers of fire and Fuego's explosive fury, the Earth speaks in eruptions. Some are beautiful, some are destructive, and all are powerful. Together, these events remind us that beneath the ground we walk upon lies a vast, churning engine of rock, water, and fire. We may study it, we may monitor it, but we can never control it. The planet breathes, rages, and reshapes itself, sometimes gently, sometimes violently. And each eruption, whether it sends water skyward, lava across the land, or ash into the skies, is part of the endless cycle that makes Earth alive.